Studio 17. Yes, sir. I'm turning up the phones on the Apollo X6. Yeah. Check it. Addicted to the trauma that we're born in, like we're sworn in. Then pledge allegiance to a flag that want most of us dead. While we're still kids in church, breaking bones, drinking blood as we bow our heads. When you saying it out loud, that sounds like a trance. Is it a cult at the culture of them prayer hands? Cause soon as a nigga leave, they bout to sin again. How much blood needed from God before you really cleanse? How much forgiveness is needed before you make amends? How many people in church still playing pretend? The blind lead the blind like niggas playing Simon Says no. The blind leading niggas with eyes, homie, let's be for real. Question everything or you will drown the lives without a bridge. Sink low enough, you see the squid games outside the crib. Get government assistance when you keep the daddies out the deal. Section they live in keep you dependent, it's a mental cell. Niggas glorify catching bodies like bullets repel. Ain't afraid of jail, afraid of hell, but really scared to live. Selling anything including self, now they just empty shells. I guess that's the meaning when they tell you hustle to death. I try to say my niggas when I tell them the humble was left. Shook off them demons, now I move with these angels and stuff. God told me nah, I need the strong to handle my belt. Start with your wrong so you can feel when that whipping is dealt. Gotta show empathy, you ain't better than the ones you help. Speaking from your pain is how you get all that trauma dispelled. So here I am, So here I am. Everything that's real don't get televised. Most of the fake right before your eyes. Hell of a disguise. Who reality we in? Mine, yours, or God? None of the above. Then who run our lives? Then we in some scary times. Backfield with 1,000 lies that reveal the knives. A bullet born blind. You can aim but can't prevent the knives. You can't mobilize what's in your mind till you grow a spine. You can grow 100,000 subs and still don't make a dime. Wicked institutions paying fractions of a penny and you trading time. Nah, nigga, go get a job. Social media wild. Instead of laughing out loud, you say you dead with a skeleton head. Wow. The suicide numbers in the clouds, nigga. Enough tears hit the ground, we'll drown in them. Everybody feeling depleted, defeated, unneeded. Gave that man all your love and that nigga still cheated. Gave her all the above and that woman still leaving. No good deed like fake jobs on Indeed. We cooked Indeed, your worth replaced with robots and AIC.